Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover Zkasino Airdrop. There has been some news and updates on this airdrop. I already covered it in the past and we have the step-by-step like always in my videos. But I already covered Zkasino in November too, but has been some updates on the testnet, so we are going to check everything and I will comment about the new updates and the new things that you need to do to participate to the testnet. We are really close to the mainnet, so I really recommend you to pay attention to Zkasino and do this video and the previous video to participate in this probably very big airdrop. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hey guys, well, before going into the step-by-step, remember that the link for this is going to be in the description. This is the Zkasino Airdrop tutorial. This is a testnet, so it's 100% free. So if you are waiting for those free airdrops, you need to do this one. And here you have the step-by-step on how to test everything, the games and everything. This is a casino online that runs in rollup technology, so it's super important. And the only one in the market right now being developed. This is testnet, so again, it's a free airdrop. So check this in the link on the description and then you can continue doing this video. Also guys, remember you have my airdrop organizer, the link is in the description. This is free, you can download it, go here and download it and do whatever you want with this. And here we have one of the projects that is ready, launched to be finished for the airdrop. MTG DAO. They are going to have probably the snapshot, the end of this airdrop on December 15. So you need to do it today. Go to the airdrop organizer, check these links. MTG DAO is similar to a meme coin, but again, the airdrop finished tomorrow. So I think today you can still apply. So this link is going to be in the description again. MTG DAO airdrop, this is the step-by-step on how to participate. It's not difficult, so go and participate there guys. And this is one of those airdrops that if you use my link with the refer link here, so you can go without my refer link directly to the .com/company or use my refer link, and if I get some nice airdrop for this because of your referral usage, I'm going to do a giveaway with a percentage of that airdrop for you, the community, that always in this kind of things, if you use my link, helps me to get a little boost. So I want to reward you for that. So go and do the MTG DAO airdrop. It's finished tomorrow. And when we get the distribution, if you use my link, I'm going to do a giveaway for the community. So now let's go to the step-by-step with Zkasino. I'm going to repeat a little bit about the previous video, but you really need to go and see it in order to understand everything. First, you can go here to play Zkasino.io and you can use and connect with Zksync, the testnet 2.0, the Arbitrum Garlic, Polygon, the Mainnet, which is the network for testing, and the testnet of Phantom. So this is a testnet, so you can connect with all the testnet of this project. Right now, I'm going to use the Zksync because doing that, I'm also participating and doing transactions on the Zkasync network, and that helps me also to the Zkasync airdrop. So to get free tokens here for this testnet, you can go to the Twitter and get the free gas on your selected network or use the Faucet down here. So here you have to get G8 Ethereum on Zkasync net 2.0, you need to do this. Go here to mint a minimum of 0.02 garlic Ethereum. And after that you bridge in the Zkasync bridge. That also helps you for the airdrop. And when you have your garlic Ethereum with Zkasync testnet 2.0, you are ready to pay your gas fees on Zkasino. And if you want to use the Mumbai application, the Mumbai testnet of Polygon, here mumbaifaucet.com, you can get those tokens. So going into this website, you can launch from here the application. Here I connect the wallet using my testnet of Zkasync. You can see here Zkasync, the alpha test, the 2.0. Here I had some Ethereum, garlic Ethereum. This is fake tokens just for testnet. And here I'm going to use ZkUSD. So you can click here to mint some. Click on confirm. And you can see that now I have 10,000 Zk tokens here. So now I'm going to go here to explore games. So I click here. And these are the games that you can play with. And this is testnet, so you can see that with this network you can see some of the games you cannot play, but if you connect with another of the networks, you can go here and change the network. You are going to have access to the different games according to the network. And for example, I go to DICE, I put some multiple bets here, let's say 6 bets, multiplier. I'm going to approve with ZkUSD. Click on confirm the transaction, wallet confirmation successful, transaction accepted, and click on play, confirm, and the bets are playing out right now. You can see all these movements, these bets that I already put. I put 6 bets, so the 6 of the bets are running. I win some, I lose another ones. You can see here the transactions, so this is really cool. And here guys, you can go to the leaderboard. You can see your rank here, and your rank, it will depend of the amount of balance that you have, but also you can get different balance in the different networks. So I recommend you to connect to all of the networks, get the tokens and try the different networks, guys. If you want to really know how to use all the games and everything like that, that is all in my previous video on how to test Zkasino. So check that, use all the networks there first. But now guys, some of the reasons why I did an update on this video was, like you can see here, is now require a KYC to play on this application. They actually added a new profile page on the app. So if you are in the app now, you can go here and profile. This wasn't in the previous video, you didn't have this before, and you are going to see a little of things about the balance that you have, and it's going to be some statistics here and referrals, maybe for having more traction on the community here. Also, they added BNB chain on the testnet, so you can see here that now we have BNB testnet. On the previous video you will see that BNB was not available. We only have Zksync, Polygon, Phantom and Arbitrum. So now you can also test on BNB. And they mentioned that development is already for mainnet, and that you can confirm that in this tweet. So there was huge updates that we already commented, some technical updates to the new profile, and here you can see that the upcoming mainnet. And Zkasino is now playable on BNB chain testnet in preparation for a mainnet release. For our beta mainnet, Zkasino will deploy on both BNB chain and Polygon, while awaiting zero knowledge rollups. Those are starknet, Zksync, ZkABM and ZkBNB deployment can be expected. And here you can see the quote, the development for our mainnet launch is now complete. So basically, even if we are in testnet, they are really close to have everything for mainnet. It's actually, in terms of code, seems to be done. In December 8th, and this is important for this update on the video, they launched the Crew 3 to engage and grow the community, so you can do this quest. Go to the link there and you are going to be pop up here. So now you have the page of Zkasino Crew 3, so you will need to connect here using Discord or your wallet. I recommend you to use your wallet if you are already doing the task and the games on the testnet. You need to sign out this with Crew 3. You can check your avatar or whatever you want. You can connect your Discord after too, so I will authorize that. So now I am already connected with my Discord and with my wallet. So you have some social quests here, for example a daily connect. This gives you 1 point of experience, so you click there and you will already have 1 point. Join the Twitter, I already am with Twitter, so I will connect, authorize the app, and I will claim the reward because I am already following Zkasino. Remember to follow them on Twitter. So I have the 10 points of experience also for the Twitter. Again, Discord, follow them there. And you can join on Telegram too. Once you do all the social quests that are really easy, at least you have 31 points of experience. And to write a tweet on Zkasino here, you need to complete first this one. These are some quizzes about Zkasino, so try to do it correctly. And then you have here the Decision Player Fan. So here, complete the steps under how to play and try any game you like until you win. You take an inscription and upload it here, so you can do that. It gives you 30 points of experience. And then you can check here the Zkasino Testnet King and Decision Player Fan. So these are the stuff that you can do here on the Zkasino Crew 3. I recommend you to do it. You have the leader of experience here. Not much points, like you can see, there's not much that you can do. So you can still do this until we have the mainnet launch, and doing the testnet and doing this, they will go into have a token that was already confirmed. You can see that in my previous video. So we are expecting an airdrop for Zkasino. I am very interested in this project, so guys, check it out, check these updates. I thought that was interesting, and because this have the new Zkasino in Crew 3, I wanted to give this update, and the update that the mainnet is already very close. So again, do these updates, check the previous video, and you have still time to go to do MTG. So you can go the airdrop for MTG is finishing tomorrow. I don't know when we have the airdrop distribution, but you have until tomorrow to do the task here. So go there, use my referral link here to start doing the airdrop, and if I get some interesting airdrop here, I'm going to give a percentage to the community. That will be all. Remember, before we leave, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications. I'm super happy because Argentina is in the finals of the World Cup, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.